Then here just I'm writing like Spring Boot REST unit. Okay, REST unit. You can write and different approaches, guys. Next, let me try to do here. Okay, I went to okay. Then Spring Web. So what I can do that here now? Just you can try to open Spring Web. Next, what I can try to say, guys, JPA. Next, what I can do that web. Okay. Next, HTTP database will use Calkeep Lombok, Dev Tools, and just I'll use HTTP database. Right, in-memory database, right, yeah, like this. So even the testing environment will be there, guys, and that's fine. Even if you want, you can try to use Mojito is a third-party organization is trying to provide you. If you want, you can try to use, and let me check that. No, here nothing is there. Next. Right. Right. Format Excel file. Right. Let's look at now. See here, the test. The JUnit test is a wonderful concept, sir. We are not required to worry about it. Even if you want, you can try to go for to take the help of Makito we are trying to using. Why we try to use Makito? I hope I clearly mentioned the two developers are there. One developer work is not completed. Then if you want to perform the operations and without further code and your component is working or not, and we try to test it, further go for the Makito. Okay. Makito. Makito. Then Maven dependency. That's it. Makito JUnit Jupyter. Then what is the version you want? You can try to choose. It's not a matter what version you're trying to using. See, like this. Just you can try to use this one. Now, so just you can try to configure here. Then observe that Makito JUnit Jupyter. Then here just I'm removing this version. I don't mind which version I'm trying to using. According to your Spring Boot starters, it's going to be create that per version will be downloaded. We are not required to bother about it. The version if I mention it, the specific version will be downloaded. No, I don't want to mention specific version, what version is required, then it's going to be downloaded. Fine, this is fine. That's it, sir. This is the way can I do that. Next step, as usual, first let's try to go for to performing H2 database, right? H2 database means in-memory database method. Now, so here you can try to specify the property file. Here, then as well. Okay. Just I'm trying to take the help of property, sir. See here, we have like JDB. What is that? What I can try to call H2 database URL, sir. H2 database URL. So this is the way. So you can try to observe that, please. Now, all right. See, H2 dialect. You can try to specify like this. Enable true. Okay. Even if you want, you can try to work with print dot H2 dot console dot enable, right? And then you can try to say true. This is the way you can try to work your application development. So nothing is this. Is it clear, everyone? No. So what I can try to say that, and even you can try to go for to configure here. So first thing, the table should be created. Yes or no, guys? Yes, Shiva. Is no doubt about it. So if you want to create a table, then the table should be create and should be insert the data, right? Very good. So now let's try to specify to insert the data I'm trying to creating, as well. I'll try to specify here. File name you can try to specify, you can try to give any name. So just I'm trying to giving data dot SQL finish. So now just we're writing like this. Got it? Just we're writing that is dot SQL like this. Okay, and now here you can try to specify the code inside into just I'm giving like employees table name. Then you can specify the first name, last name, right? Last name, first name and last name and email like this. Values. Then you can try to specify the what is the first name and last name like this, so that really useful, sir. Then I can try to say now Shiva. Then here, once you write as Shiva, then I can try to say now my last name. Then even I can try to specify the mail ID. Rani. Then I can try to say that Lily. Then, yeah, anything is fine. Lily not. Right. Then Rani dot. Got it, sir? Now like this. That's it. Nothing is there, sir. Just close here. This is the way we are trying to setting the values dynamically. Just means save it and close it. Done. So the data will be stored like this. Is it clear? Yes, Shiva. Fine. So what is the next step, Shiva? So the data will be stored like this. Now let me try to go for what? Let me try to go for to creation of the tables, please. Why the tables are required? And here I'm trying to choosing like model. Where is model? Yeah. Right click on this new class model. Then just I'm trying to keeping like model. Now I can try to give like class name is called employees. Then one more class just we're trying to creating. Right click on this new a class employee. Right like this. So this is the way just we are writing, sir. So now here we are writing employee. Here you can try to specify the entity class, madam. What is entity class, please? Why entity class? You know that, right? But in your scenario, what you write, madam? Document, right? So understand, sir, and according to the scenario, you can try to go for to write it at the rate of the table. Then here table we are writing, then name. So if you want to write the test cases, obviously required what? If you want to write the table, then what we require, sir, please? You require the law, control source codes. Then only can try to perform it, right? Now, then you can try to specify here first name, last name, email. Just those are the fields what I specified. I hope it, right? Guys, is it clear? Private integer ID, string, last name, string, email, ID, first name, last name. Right. Generator. generated value, right? Then strategy, right? Then type equal auto, fine. So that's it, sir. Then if you want to try to specify the column names, otherwise the same column names you try to choose it. Are you clear? Then let's check that, sir. What are the column names you specified? First name, last name, like this. Yes. First, okay. Underscores are there here now. Got it. So according to that, let's try to go for to specify, sir. No issues on this. Email insert into TVL employees first name and last name email. Okay. Then first name, last name, email. It means that. Okay, 1 minute, sir. Okay, employee number is auto generated. Okay, fine. Now you can try to specify here. Yeah, at the rate of column. At the rate of column, then you can try to say name. Name first. All right. Name. That's it, sir. This is the way you can write it. Last name. First name, last name, first name, last name, email. First name and last name and email. First underscore name, last underscore name and email. First underscore name, last underscore name and email. Like this, just we have like this. Set doesn't get us anyway, it will be generated. Why? Because you are trying to using what? Guys, please, what you are trying to using? Lombok. Yes or no? This is the way you can try to generate, sir. Nothing is there here to speak about it. Then parameterize constructor. If you want, you can try to generate. Otherwise, you can try to take the help of tool. Yes or no? Source generate constructor using a field. So here, first name, last name is in for me. I don't want like ID and all those things. You can skip, sir. Based on the C parameters only just we are trying to generating, and default construct is required, sir, for me when you are trying to writing the application. So this is the way you can try to generate. Done, sir. Good. Now, employee class, once you specified, this employee class I can try to use in employees, sir. Because sometimes what will happen, maybe we can try to have n number of employee information, sir. So just is the model class we are writing. Okay. Private. Employee list. Public list. Then employee list. Right. Right. Like this. Simple. So what will happen now? You can try it. Just we are trying to maintaining employee information, sir. So here, employee list, because you know one way, sir, just I'm writing a simple thing, sir, nothing is there here. Null. Then let me try to instantiate it. Now, new array list. Don't think that why you're writing like this. Just you can write a programming any angle, sir, any way. But only thing is you should have the control what exactly you're doing your application. Seriously, I'm telling you guys. Don't think that I had to write like this only. Don't think that I had to go like this only. No, no one say that. Let's try to work in such a way that. So you can try to design anything, sir. Only thing is output is important. The front end people should be designed the proper manner. That's really very important. Get us right? Set us. Done. This is the way, yes, you can try to write the employee list of employees. Perfect. So what I can do that, guys, now next model class is completed, right? Then what class we can write, right? So please repository. Then can I go for the DALN? Employee repository, can I write, sir, guys? Yes or no? Yes, Shiva. Now, new interface report. Then here you can try to write employee repository. Then extending CURD. Extending CURD repository. CURD repository, right? Just we are writing like this. Okay, Shiva. Then here you can specify your employee, and let me try to check that what is the ID I given to here. Integer. So I'll take like this. Okay. Are you clear, please? Yes. The T is nothing but type. ID is nothing but employee. Sorry, integer. Right. At the rate of repository. At the rate of repository. Right. Like this. Done, sir. This is the way, yes, you can try to perform, sir. No doubt about it. So whatever next step. Sir, now repository is done. Let me try to, can I go for the controller, Shiva? Why not? You can. Let me try to work with controller. Let me work with what? Controller. So in the controller class, just you can try to go for to write a employee controller. Okay. So whatever service, I don't want to write service, sir. Now let me write the controller. So you can try to say here rest or resource, whatever may be, right? Controller like this. So here, that's it, directly I'm trying to using here. Now rest control, because I want to go for the test case. That is my focus now. Let me try to write rest controller, right? Now here, once you're trying to talk about rest controller, no doubt about it, then you can try to go for employee repository. Right. Employee repository, EMP repo. That's it. So here you can try to write auto wide. Are you clear? Yeah. That's it, Shiva. This is the way you can try to. So now you can try to write get employee, sir. Because if you want to get the information, yes, you can try to get. No, Shiva, I want to write in what I can try to say, madam. Then I want to add. Yes, you can do add. Okay, then let me try to work with what a name I can try to call as a get employees. Okay, because some information is there. Get employees related. Employees, get employees. Right. Then you can write here now. So what I'm doing now, employees dot response. Just we are giving a response equal new employees. Right. So what I can do that now, response dot what I can do that, guys, please. Here I can write just create employee, because I want to here employee information, right? Okay. Now here we can try to use array list employee list new array list, right? Then what I can do that now, so please emp repo dot find all for each arrow. This is the way, yes, you can try to perform it. Now you can try to give response dot set employee. Just you can try to set like this list. Got it? Now return response. Done, sir. This is a simple approach we are trying to perform. So nothing I'm not doing hard here. So guys, think 1 minute. Employee find out for each list. Okay, fine. Good. Now get employee. Can we use get mapping? Yes. Then path employees. Then you can try to use producers. What by default JSON formats are, but you want to get some idea. That's what I'm writing here. By default JSON format, only the information will be exposed, sir. No doubt. Even if you're not required to specify, just intentionally I'm trying to giving like this. Is it clear, everyone? Please, guys. Is it clear? So this is the approach just we are writing. If you want, you can try to go for to add employee, no issues. Yes, you can. Right? If you want, you can try to go for add employee. Add employee, it means what? Right. Just we are adding the employee information and you can try to go for that. Okay. Fine, sir. We'll see, look at that later if you require. Next. So till now is fine. Let me run it. Table employee is not found. Why not creating? Fine. Table employee is not found. It's saying you have to create, so no issues. We'll create it. Okay. If we not create, I'll create. So don't worry about that. So just me try to go for data. Here just I'm writing on file. Right. Just I'm writing schema. Here you can write right, sir, please. What I can write now, the raw table if exist. Any table is there, please try to drop it. That's what I'm saying is. Next, create table underscore employees. Simple. Table underscore employees. Then, so what I can do that ID int auto increment them primary key. Next, what are the next steps, sir? First underscore name. Where char how much? 250. Not null. Not null. Where car 250 like this. Not null like this. Email where car 250 like this. Default null. Right, like this. Okay. Just we are writing like this. Now run it. In the way. Okay, sorry. Spelling here mistakes. That's what getting down. Why is not coming? Right. Perfect, sir. Spelling mistake. Okay. And actually, generally, when you are writing here, the keyword should be right a calculator, sir. That's the reason. Okay. Now let me run it. H2 console. Perfect. Okay, don't worry. So let's try to go for here. Then this is the one URL you can try to use. Well, by default, it gives different URLs. Huh? Like this. Why the data is not stored? Email, first name, last name, it lost. Okay, fine. So I'll make a small change, sir. Email. First name, last name like this. Fine. So you're fine. So this is the way the data will be stored. So we're not required to worry about it. Right. Same link, right? You can have table employee TBL EMPL form. First name, last name, email. Alias Shiva. Fine. Okay, this is the way you can try to answer. Somewhere why is not coming. I'll check later.